So hello and welcome to Airfield Mixologist, and today it's quite a special day because we're starting a new series and I'm going to call it Trash or Treasure. Now inside this box there are 4 carbs that I bought from a junkyard, and they are full of rust, and I have never worked with this particular models of carbs either, and I don't have much in the way of spares. So actually this is going to be a series about, okay, can I make these carbs live again? And as you can see, I'm putting gloves already because I know that the condition of these carbs is not insanely great to start with. So shall we see what's in the box? Obviously I have an idea what's in the box, but so first up, in no particular order, we got this unit. This looks to me like a Carter DVD. Let's have a look. Yeah, it is a Carter DVD. Great. Yeah, indeed. Actually, well, have I got the right lot? Anyway, well, yeah, this is a, yep, so this is a Carter DVD, and let's have a look. Yep, the throttle plate is seized, yeah, and the idle screws appear also to be seized, great, and this unit to kind of regulate the fuel is also missing. There's some bits on the choke that are missing, so great start to the day. So let's hold it. Let's get another unit. So this is, wait a moment, this is another BBD. Have they sent me the right thing? You see, this is the one. I thought for 1 minute that they've sent me the wrong stuff. Anyway, let's have a look. So, look at this. Okay. So we've got a Holly 2-barrel. Obviously this is completely and utterly seized. It's a Ford carb. I think this is actually the carb from is the double barrel carb from a Ford flathead. No idea how this carb works at all. What's this? Anywho, this is gonna be an interesting one. Next, let's have a look. What is this? Carter carburetor, 1 barrel. Interesting fuel line. Climatic control. Whoa. Obviously totally seized and full of rust. Great. So there is a bit of a theme emerging here about the rust and the carbs. So let's have a look. I think this is the last one in the box. Okay, so let's have a look. okay. Well, we can take this off. It's completely rusted through. Great. Now, whoa! Wow! Look at the state of this unit. Now, I need to bring you closer because you're not going to believe this. Look at that. That is just fascinating, isn't it? So, let's have a quick look. So, whilst the floats, well, they're not intact really. So, let's try to take this out of the box. Okay, great. So this is this is the good old Rochester Quadrajet, or the Carter Thermoquad. Anyway, so check the level of rust in this unit. Look at that, lovely, absolutely great, isn't it? So, where do I start? Okay, so I guess actually, there's a bit of banter in all of this because I bought this unit, and I actually do have a plan. Whoa! Look at this. So. Bits and bobs are starting to come out and they are completely rusted through. Okay, so I actually do have a plan, funnily enough, for this unit, and it is the following. What I'm going to do is I am going to take these units apart, fix them, and for any unit that I can unseize, for example, if I can unseize this one, if I can make sure that I get all the, you know, all the kind of bits and bobs, then and only then I'm gonna try to get the spare parts for it, if I can find them, and then move on to the rest ones. So this Carter carb, for example, yeah, again, totally rusted solid, but then again, I reckon I might be able to get it unstuck through kind of previous practice. This unit looks kind of complete. Great. And so I'm missing this one. Let's have a look. This is another model BBD basically. Just as rusted, but this one, hey, wow, look at this! This one actually has throttle action. That is amazing. And let's have a look. Yeah, it looks like this one. Ooh. Look at this. Somebody's already gonna look. This is all coming up. I'll show you there. Anywho, I reckon that. Whoa, what's this stuff? Anywho, I reckon that probably the BBDs I can make probably out of this 2 carbs. I can certainly make one good one, certainly. This one is a bit of a mystery. It's a kind of carter. I need to find the model 2115, so I just need to kind of Google machine it and see if that what's the. So this is a Ford Model 59 carb, 2-barrel. Again, this is extremely rusty. So this is gonna be a very interesting project. How the heck am I gonna make this work again? And this is, oh, look at this. Oh yeah, the mixture screws are coming out. At least that one is, for a change. Where do they go? Do they have a hole? Yeah, they do have a hole. Okay. So, and this carter, I mean, if I can get this stuff to run again, this will be just clinically insane. So, here's the challenge. Here's a mountain of rust and crud. Can I turn it into working carbs? So it's just a question of just going through the process and following the series and see where we land. So I'll see you in the next episode, where we're gonna start trying to dig into this units, and we'll see where that leads us. So I'll see you in the next episode.